Good morning, Sandra. Good morning, everybody. We have a surprise in the garden. Look what I made. Trellises. Tomato trellises, and I made them. Yeah, I just got some string from the dollar store, and I got some posts, put them in the ground, tied them all up. Aren't they lovely? Look at that. I needed to do something because these tomato plants are getting huge, and I want them to grow up and produce lots of fruit. So I figured this is the best way to do it. These are little clips that put together, and this is some Gorilla Tape. I just give them an extra little help there. Then I put a string across from post to post, and then I just hung a string down and knotted it in each section as it went down. 3 different sections. That's going to give the opportunity for the plant to grow up each section. Now, I didn't say it's all that straight, but I don't think the plant clears. I think the plant just cares about getting to the top. So now it's got a goal to get to the top. Now this one here I did a little bit different. I did this one in an X. I don't know why, just thought I'd do things up a little different. So this tomato plant here is just huge. So I think it's going to grow to the top of this pretty quickly. But then it can go as high as that. But these plants are just doing great. They're climbing, and that's the idea. So, there we have it. Hope you enjoy the journey of my weedless garden. Okay, folks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me. Bye, Sandra. Have a nice day.